What's your name?
Addison.
What's your last name?
Addison Brown Madison.
And where do you live?
Chino.
And how old are you?
3.
And where do you, what's your birthday?
115.
And how old are you going to be on your birthday?
4.
And how many more months do you have to wait till your birthday comes?
July.
Till July?
Yeah.
And who's your best friend?
Madison, Maddie, Roxana, Caitlin.
Ah. And what's your favorite color?
Pink, little, green, and then blue, and then gray, and then...
So you like all colors?
You
huh?
like a lot of colors, huh?
Yeah.
What is your favorite movie, Addison?
Tangled.
Tangled? And who's your favorite princess?
Chinana.
Tiana?
Yeah.
Oh, good job. Okay, say see you later, camera.
See you later, Grandma.